MonkeyByte. Stay ahead of AI.
In a world where technology is redefining warfare, one startup has made waves by raising $2 billion for its cutting-edge military drones. Shield AI stands at the forefront of this revolution.
Founded in 2016, Shield AI has quickly become a powerhouse in the drone industry. The company's innovative technology is designed to enhance military operations through advanced autonomy and real-time decision-making.
But what sets Shield AI apart? The startup's ability to integrate complex algorithms with precision and reliability. Their technology can navigate through challenging environments, making it invaluable for modern warfare.
The recent $2 billion funding round underscores the growing importance of Shield AI in the defense sector. This influx of capital will likely accelerate their research and development efforts, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
However, as Shield AI continues to expand its influence, questions arise about the ethical implications of such advanced technology. How will these drones be used, and who bears responsibility for their actions?
In the coming years, Shield AI's journey will undoubtedly shape the future of military technology. As we delve deeper into this documentary, we'll explore how this young company is transforming the landscape of warfare.
Join us as we uncover the secrets behind Shield AI's success and the challenges they face in an ever-evolving technological battlefield.
In 2018, Shield AI was founded by 3 Stanford University graduates, Teddy Ort, Adam Levison, and David Anderson. Their vision was to create advanced autonomous systems that could operate reliably in complex environments, particularly in defense applications. The company's initial focus was on developing a robust software platform for drones, which they believed would be crucial for the future of military operations. They recognized early on that autonomy and reliability were key factors in achieving their goals. One of Shield AI's first major achievements came in 2019 when they successfully demonstrated their autonomous drone technology during a live demonstration at the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International (AUVSI) conference. This event garnered significant attention from potential investors and partners. In the same year, Shield AI received its first major contract with the U.S. Department of Defense through the Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) program. The contract was for developing a software-defined radio system that could be integrated into autonomous drones to enhance their communication capabilities in challenging environments. The success of this project led to further funding and support from both government agencies and private investors, allowing Shield AI to expand its team and accelerate the development of its technology. By 2021, the company had grown significantly, with a workforce of over 50 employees dedicated to research and development. The integration of AI in military operations has led to significant advancements in predictive analytics, enabling real-time analysis of battlefield data. This technology allows commanders to make more informed decisions by providing them with a comprehensive understanding of the current situation and potential future scenarios. AI-driven drones have become a cornerstone in modern warfare, offering cost-effective alternatives to traditional manned aircraft. These drones can perform reconnaissance missions, deliver supplies, and even engage in combat roles, significantly reducing the risk to human soldiers while enhancing operational efficiency. Cybersecurity has emerged as a critical aspect of military operations, with AI playing a pivotal role in defending against cyber threats. Advanced AI systems can detect and mitigate cyber attacks more effectively than traditional methods, ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive information. The use of autonomous vehicles in logistics and transportation has revolutionized supply chain management within military operations. These vehicles can operate 24/7 without fatigue, reducing the risk to personnel and improving the speed and accuracy of deliveries. AI-powered communication systems have enhanced interoperability among different branches of the military and allied forces. These systems facilitate seamless information sharing and coordination, crucial for effective joint operations in complex environments.
Innovations like Shield AI's drones signify a new era in military technology.
With their ability to operate autonomously and integrate advanced AI capabilities, these drones are revolutionizing battlefield operations.
But the journey to deployment isn't without challenges. Shield AI must navigate complex regulatory and ethical landscapes.
Despite these hurdles, the financial backing from significant investments underscores the potential of this technology in shaping future military strategies.
As we conclude, it's clear that AI is no longer just a tool but a fundamental component of modern military operations.
The future of warfare is being rewritten, and Shield AI stands at the forefront of this transformation.
Will these advancements bring about a more efficient or ethical form of conflict? Only time will tell.
In the meantime, we must continue to explore and understand the implications of these technologies on both a tactical and strategic level.